Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the VisorMark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another one of the Google smartphone series, the Google Pixel 8 battery performance. Are you ready? The Google Pixel 8 features a sleek design, strong security with face unlock, and impressive audio quality. It's powered by Google's Tensor G3 SoC, runs on Android 14, and offers a 10.5 MP front camera and a 50 MP primary rear camera. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3. The 6.2-inch OLED display has a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and excellent color accuracy. The AI-driven camera system includes features like Best Take and Audio Eraser. It provides 27W wired and 18W wireless charging for convenience. The Google Pixel 8 joins the flagship Pro tier, more than €700 of budget smartphones. It boasts an ergonomic, sleek design with rounded corners, a matte aluminum frame, and Gorilla Glass Victus for durability. The Pixel 8 achieved a moderate battery performance score of 41 out of 100. It achieved 1.5 days of use, translating into 36 hours between charges. It scored 1 out of 5 for smartphone battery efficiency, same as the Samsung S23. The Pixel 8 would use 4.1 kWh per annum taken from the VisorMark battery performance testing. The Google Pixel 8 marks a significant shift in Google's approach, particularly regarding battery performance. It scores 41 out of 100 on the battery performance scale, with a modest increase in battery capacity to 4,575 mAh. Google promises enhanced endurance, supported by the efficiency of the new 4nm Google Tensor G3 chipset. The Xiaomi 13 has significantly longer battery life, outlasting the Google Pixel 8 and Samsung Galaxy S23 by a full day and 14 hours. The Pixel 8 and Galaxy S23 both have a 1.5-day, 36-hour battery life rating, despite the Pixel 8 having a slightly larger battery. The Google Pixel 8 is a strong smartphone with advanced AI-powered cameras, a vibrant OLED display, and up to 7 years of software support. It offers improved battery life and wireless charging but lacks a dedicated telephoto lens, features older UFS 3.1 storage, and excludes a charger in the package, which may be drawbacks for some. Despite these minor limitations, it's a solid choice for those seeking powerful camera and software features at a slightly higher price point. Stay tuned for our upcoming smartphone battery performance review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.